Hello everybody. And anyway, in this is like a montage of me almost getting dogs. I was like 2 off. Let me just show you. First one. Please stand by. Here it is. Okay. Let's start. This is definitely the one that's fine. And I'm like, oh my god, you're not pushing your ego. Why did you lie? Okay. Alright. Me with my MTAR. Almost got it gold. At first we didn't do good. I get like a few die again, then I get like a few like a few shots. Then stuff really gets into business soon because I get like a merciless streak in a minute. I get really annoyed. It's when over on the other side I get it. So I keep having like sessions anyway. But now there. Here we go. I get my merciless around this point, so I'm going to play it normally now. Yeah, now I'm just sure I could get like depends. No, not now. Right, now I should get it. Now. Yeah, I thought it should be now. It depends if I kill a guy inside it or no. Okay, I don't remember that happening, but anyway. No, this is definitely the right one. I even remember. Okay, I'm getting low on space, so I better speed it up. Yeah, now I get it. Alright, let's go. Yes. Yep. Speed up a little bit. I should keep an eye. I've almost got my VSAT. I just keep like spraying with it. I'm like, oh, one off my VSAT. Come on. No, I'm like, oh, reload. So I'm like, oh, get really frustrated. I get the system like, just one more, and I get it. I'm like, yeah, oh, almost to the dogs. I realise it's TDM, not now. But I'm like, oh, dogs. Oh, so close. And I realise. And I went out. One more kill to win. I got really frustrated at this point. So we're now 20-7. Yep. People think I'm bad. Nope. No way. There. See you later.